my personal number, not in the group. Okay, and if you have any difficulty to solve, while solving, if you find any difficulty, let me know through phone so that I can tell you how to solve. Okay, and of course few of them are solved already in the class, online class, and few may not be, but procedure remains same. You try it, follow it, and they will come you. Okay. Okay, and regarding quiz they are talking of, our staff now department is talking of quiz. Let me check how it is possible. Okay, then we'll come to you regarding quiz assignment. Quiz. Hope you are. Bade Sahib, good morning. Bade Sahib, can you able to hear me? Yes, Bade Sahib, can you able to hear me? Bade Sahib had come and gone once again. Okay. Prajwal, that is how that I wanted to tell you few things. One is assignment. Ask your friends to start to write, okay, and submit. In the rest of the subject, all have submitted. Only the OR is lagging behind. I did a late to give. Yes, I EME, which subject? ESA. AM. Okay. No. I did a late purposely because if I give. If all at once give no assignment, then which assignment you are writing? Assuming that I just did a late quit, but this is the right time to give. Therefore I given you, and on or before 10th, another 6 days you have time. Please you submit. Otherwise you are losing unnecessary marks. That is not only Prajwal I am talking to you. I am talking to everyone. Please you tell them. Simply you submit the assignment, you will get a 5 marks here. Okay. That is the reason, and rest 15 marks anyway. You Barmani Halaskar, good morning. Yes, Halaskar. Barmani Halaskar, good morning. Can you able to hear me? Bade Sahib, Barmani. Yes. We'll start now. Problem. I think we were into the topic called as formulation problems. Am I right? Yeah. Yes. Before you go to the formulate. I think you go through the story which is being given in the problem, and twice you read it. If you don't understand the story, please you read once again, third time, and understand everything what is the story is being given. Based on that, based on the values given in the story, I think you need to formulate the problems. This was the theme of the module what we have taken, first module. Am I right? Yes, please. Today we'll take one more different problem. Let us see what this story says. Am I right? Assume there is one company, okay? So that company manufactures 2 products, A and B. Am I right? Are you following? There is one company in Udyambag which produces or manufactures 2 products, namely A and B. Okay, see here I have written. Can you see? There is one company which produces 2 products, A and B. Okay, and to produce A, don't you think material is required? Yes, A and B material is required, no doubt. So material A requires 1 kg. The product A requires to produce one unit. To produce each product, that is A. I don't know how many numbers we are going to produce in the later. We'll see in the problem later, not now. There is a company which manufactures 2 products, namely A and B. Can you see the screen? Yes. And yes, Barmani Halaskar. Yes, very good morning. And product A, for each product, I mean, okay, for each product of A, it requires 1 kg of material. Okay. And to produce that product, it will take 10 minutes. Are you getting my point? Yes, surely it requires material, okay, 1 kg, and if you start, it will take 10 minutes to produce that product A. But maximum working hours of machine, don't you feel machines are required for you to manufacture? Am I right? Either let it be A or B. Machines are required. Okay, so here what happens, both A and B products are produced in the same machine. It means there is only one machine. Am I right? So in the same machine, product A and B are required. If you start to operate to produce product A, okay, it will take 10 minutes. Okay, and product B will take 2 minutes. Product B will take 2 minutes. Now that is how I have analyzed it first before we go for the formulation. That you need to please cultivate this kind of method to formulate first. Once you prepare such a map, I think it is going to be very easy for you to prepare a mathematical model. Therefore, product A requires 1 kg of material, but it will take time to produce 10 minutes. Similarly, product B will take 2 minutes to produce that product B and requires half kg, 0.5 kg. Am I right? Well, but since both of the products are being done in the same machine, okay, maximum working capacity of machine is 35 hours per week. Correct? So that machine can work maximum 35 hours per week. And per week the supply of material is maximum 600 kg. Are you following, please? It means here there are two things. One is, don't you feel after I read all this, the conditions are material and time. Am I right? Because working hours, don't you feel it's a time? Yes, time. There is one constraint on time and there is one constraint on material. Am I right? Material. Some amount of material will consume by the product A, some amount of material will consume by the product B to produce that particular product A and B. But the maximum supply of material we should also take into account. Per week 600 kg and that machine works maximum is 35 hours per week. So this is the half story I told you now. Okay. Well, see, if you the cost of product, the investment money to produce A and B are 5 rupees per each and 6 rupees for B. Yes, Rohit, good morning. Rohit, good morning. Yes, Prajwal and others, please follow the story. If you want to produce a product A, you need to invest 5 rupees. Yes, and if you want to produce product B, you need to invest 6 rupees. But when you are selling the product A and B, okay, when you are selling for 10 rupees for one product, you are selling 10 rupees. But how much you have invested? Invested is 5 rupees. Am I right? Can you able to hear, all of you? Yes. To produce particular product A, you have to invest 5 rupees. But you are selling at 10 rupees. What is the profit? What is the profit? Please understand here. 5 rupees you need to invest to manufacture product A. But that product A you are selling in the market at the rupees of 10 rupees. What is the profit? Yes. 5 रुपये झाला, बरोबर नाही? बर. बरोबर. आणि प्रोडक्ट बी तयारसाठी तुम्ही किती रुपये खर्च करतात? 6 रुपये. पण मार्केटमध्ये विकतात कसं? 8 रुपये. 2 रुपये फायदा झाला. कळलं नाही आता? आणि पुढे काय म्हणाले ते? यस. Next this is the story. Let me read the problem now. Okay, before I read the problem, just I told you in map wise. This is map, like a map. Let me read. A company manufactures 2 products A and B and are processed in the same machine. मी काय वेगळं सांगितलं तुम्हाला नाही आहे, बरोबर. तिकडे एक कंपनी आहे, त्या कंपनीमध्ये 2 प्रोडक्ट तयार करतात. एकटा मशीनमध्ये, एकही मशीनमध्ये, फक्त एक मशीनमध्ये, दुसरा मशीन काय उपयोग करत नाही त्यांनी. फर्दर आय विल रीड. इट विल टेक 10 minutes टू प्रोसेस वन युनिट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ए. म्हणजे तुम्ही ए प्रोडक्ट चालू करायचे असेल तर, प्रोड्यूस करायचे असेल तर 10 मिनिट घेतात, आणि 2 minutes फॉर ईच युनिट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट बी. and machine operates maximum of 35 hours per week. Correct? Full point. Product A requires 1 kg and B requires half kg raw material per unit. The supply of which is 6 material म्हणजे the supply of which is 600 kg per week. Maximum material किती सप्लाय करतात? 600 kg पर वीकला सप्लाय आहे आम्हाला. मार्केट कन्स्टेंट ऑन प्रोडक्ट बी आर नोन टू बी मिनिमम ऑफ 800 युनिट्स एव्हरी वीक. मार्केटमध्ये मला माहिती आहे, आय नो व्हेन आय टेक टू द मार्केट द प्रोडक्ट बी इज गोइंग टू सेल, आय मीन कंडिशन आहे, कमीत कमी 800 पाहिजे मला. कुठला प्रोडक्ट ते? बी. आर यू अंडरस्टँडिंग आर नॉट? डोंट बी काम यार. when I take to the product A and B, about product A I don't know how many units पाहिजे, लेकिन प्रोडक्ट बी जे आहे कमीत कमी 800 पाहिजे एक आठवड्याला, हे मला माहिती आहे. सी, मार्केट कन्स्टेंट ऑन प्रोडक्ट बी इज नोन टू बी मिनिमम ऑफ 800 युनिट्स एव्हरी वीक. ओके. प्रोडक्ट ए कास्ट RS of 5 rupees unit and sold at 10 rupees. तेच मी सांगितलं आधी. म्हणजे इन्व्हेस्ट करतात 5 रुपया, सेल करतात 10ला, प्रॉफिट किती झाला? 5 रुपये. 10 minus 5 is 5. Product B cost is 6 rupees per unit and can be sold in the market at a unit price of 8 rupees. म्हणजे बीच्या वरती आम्ही 6 रुपये इन्व्हेस्ट करतात आणि विकतात 8 रुपयाला, म्हणजे प्रॉफिट झाला आम्हाला 2 रुपये. डिटर्मिन द नंबर ऑफ युनिट्स ऑफ ए अँड बी पर वीक टू मॅक्झिमाइज द प्रॉफिट. व्हॉट इज आस्किंग इज, आय वुड लाईक टू नो हाऊ मेनी नंबर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स ए अँड बी आय हॅव टू प्रोड्यूस so that I can increase my profit. Am I right? Yes. Now let us start the step by step. What is first step? Decision variables. When I don't know how many numbers I am going to produce the product A and B, what I should call? Let me call X1 and X2. Yeah, correct? I have to call or not? Because I don't know. Unknowns are X1 and X2. X1 is nothing but product A. X2 is nothing but product B. That's what he has told. Determine the number of units of A and B per week. एक आठवड्याला किती मी प्रोड्यूस करायला पाहिजे ते मला सांगा, सो दॅट आय कॅन गेट मोर अँड मोर प्रॉफिट, मॅक्झिमाइज द प्रॉफिट. एम आय राईट? येस. प्लीज कम टू द लेट अस सी व्हॉट इज अवर ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह नाउ. ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह इज टू मॅक्झिमाइज ऑर मिनिमाइज. ओके. सो जनरली वी राईट इट ॲज अ झेड. करेक्ट? झेड इज इक्वल टू म्हणजे एक प्रोडक्ट एला आम्ही किती खर्च करतात तयार करायच्यासाठी? 5 रुपयाने. करेक्ट? दॅट शुड बी रिटन हियर. अरे व्हेन आय एम गोइंग टू गेट इन्क्रीज द प्रॉफिट, प्रोडक्ट ए अँड बी इन्क्रीजेस, सो दॅट आय कॅन इन्क्रीज द नंबर ऑफ, आय कॅन इन्क्रीज मोर अँड मोर प्रॉफिट. करेक्ट? देअरफॉर टू प्रोड्यूस अ प्रोडक्ट ए I am investing 5 rupees. Which product? Product A. A means X1 plus 2 rupees. ओके. म्हणजे प्रॉफिट किती होते? 5 रुपये आम्ही घालतात प्रोडक्ट ए तयार करायला, विकतात किती? 10 रुपयाला. 10 minus 5 is 5. करेक्ट? करेक्ट. हां 5 रुपये प्रॉफिट झालं. हां म्हणजे जास्त नंबर झालं प्रोडक्ट ए जास्ती प्रॉफिट होतं आम्हाला. हां कळलं नाही आता. प्लस आणि 6 रुपये आम्ही इन्व्हेस्ट करतात प्रोडक्ट बी तयार करायला. विकतात कितीला 8 रुपयाला. होय ने 8 मायनस 6 म्हणजे 2 रुपया. यस X2 म्हणजे बी प्रोडक्ट बी. कळलं आता. हां इफ यू राईट ओनली दिस मच इक्वेशन you will get 2 marks, remember it. Not necessary to solve further also. I am telling you here how to get the marks in OR. Correct. Firstly you have read the story, accordingly you have understood. Sir, this is the equation. Correct. Well, let us see constraint conditions किती आहे. मटेरियल वरती कंडिशन आहे, टाइमावरती कंडिशन आहे. बरोबर आहे ना. टाइम म्हणजे मशीन किती आवर्स मॅक्झिमम ऑपरेट करू शकते 35 आवर्स. करेक्ट पर वीक. सो दीज आर द 2 कन्स्टेंट, टाइम रिक्वायरमेंट कन्स्टेंट अँड रॉ मटेरियल रिक्वायरमेंट कन्स्टेंट. करेक्ट. हां बघूया आता. हे बघा 10 + 2 व्हॉट इज 10. येस 10 म्हणजे टाइम रिक्वायरमेंट to produce a product A. Correct. It will take 10 minutes. Product A. Product B is 2 minutes. Therefore what I wrote is time constraint, time requirement constraint is given by 10 मिनिट घेतात कुठलं तयारसाठी, कुठलं प्रोडक्ट ए म्हणजे X1 नो. Because I don't know how many numbers of products I have to produce. Therefore simply I call it as X1. कळला तुम्हाला. हां प्लस 2 minutes will take by the product B. करेक्ट. B म्हणजे काय X2. हां टोटल टाइम वर्किंग कॅपॅसिटी इज हाऊ मच 35 आवर्स नो. हां म्हणजे मिनट्स ही हॅज गिवन. टाइम इज बिंग गिवन इन मिनट्स. बट मशीन वर्किंग कॅपॅसिटी इज गिविंग इज पर वीक. करेक्ट. 1 minute मीन्स 60 seconds. करेक्ट. गॉट इट माय पॉइंट. म्हणजे 10x1 + 2x2 इज स्मॉलर दॅन आर इक्वल टू 35 hours. Into 60 means minute. Correct. Therefore 10x1 + 2x2 is equal to smaller than or equal to 2100. This is one of the condition in the given problem. Condition or constraint both are same meaning, remember it. Well, regarding time constraint you wrote now. What about material? Raw material constraint. Yes. प्रोडक्ट ए किती घेतात 1 kg मटेरियल तयार करायच्यासाठी आणि प्रोडक्ट बी किती पाहिजे 1/2 kg पाहिजे. करेक्ट. बट एक आठवड्यामध्ये मॅक्झिमम कॅपॅसिटी ऑफ मटेरियल सप्लाईज किती आहे 600 किलो. 700 किलो है यार. सी हियर आई हैव रिटन maximum working hours of machine is 35 hours. Supply of material is 600 kg. In the problem he has given here, see the supply of material is 600 kg per week. Therefore what I wrote is when I am talking of material constraint, material condition of the material, then it should be product A takes 1 kg, product B takes 1/2 kg. So that should be subjected by smaller than equal to 600 kg. Got my point? come to the next point. But market मध्ये कधी तुम्ही घेऊन जातात प्रोडक्ट बी, तुम्हाला माहिती आहे कमीत कमी 800 युनिट्स पाहिजे, एवढंच तुम्हाला माहिती आहे, एवढंच माहिती आहे. इन द प्रॉब्लेम ही हॅज गिवन व्हेन यू टेक प्रोडक्ट बी टू द मार्केट, मिनिमम सोल्ड आउट 800 तर कमीत कमी विकून टाकतात तुम्ही. समजलं? हां म्हणजे 800 म्हणजे ते कुठलं प्रोडक्ट ए आर प्रोडक्ट बी. हां बी म्हणजे काय x2 कळलं. हां इज लार्जर दॅन आर इक्वल टू मिनिमम म्हणजे लार्जर दॅन आर इक्वल टू ह्याचा अर्थ कमीत कमी. हां कमीत कमी 800 विकतात. कमीत कमी म्हणजे यू कॅनॉट शो लार्जर स्मॉलर दॅन आर इक्वल टू. यू हॅव टू शो लार्जर दॅन आर इक्वल टू. यस किती आहे 800. समजलं. हां नाउ देअरफॉर हाऊ फायनल आर कंप्लीट लिनियर प्रोग्रामिंग प्रॉब्लेम. हाऊ टू राईट दॅट. यस ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह फंक्शन इज मॅक्झिमाइज z इज इक्वल टू 5x1 प्लस 2x2. हे काय आहे. हे आमचा उद्देश होता. प्रॉफिट मॅक्झिमाइज करा. जास्त म्हणजे जास्त इन्क्रीज करा मॅक्झिमम. ओके 5x1 5 म्हणजे काय प्रॉफिट झालं रे. 5 रुपये आम्ही गाठलो आणि 10 रुपयाला विकलो. फायदा किती झाला 5 रुपये. दिस इज 5. दिस इज 2 रुपीज. फायदा ए. दिस इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह फंक्शन. बट दिस ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह फंक्शन इज सब्जेक्टेड टू. इट मीन्स this equation is influenced by. Subjected to म्हणजे काय रे. एक conditions apply. These are all the conditions apply. Correct. Yes subjected to. You should write like this. This is the final answer actually if you write like this. But when you can able to write like this, please you have to prepare such all maps by reading the story. Then nowhere you are making any mistake to write this mathematical model. This completes the problem. This is the solution for the problem for the given story. Well, objective is maximize 5x1 plus 2x2 subjected to. ये काय आहे टायमिंग आहे होय ने. टाइम constant. To produce a product A it will take 10 minutes. To produce product B, that is x2, it will take 2 minutes. Correct. But maximum working capacity is how much 35 hours. बघा इथे 35 hours. But minute is nothing but therefore 60 I have multiplied. So 2100. हां मटेरियल वरती या. मटेरियल म्हणजे काय रे इथे आहे बघ. कंडिशन काय आहे मटेरियलच्या इथं आहे बघे. 1 kg पाहिजे तयार करायला प्रोडक्ट ए. ½ kg पाहिजे तयार करायला प्रोडक्ट बी. हां मग पर एक आठवड्याला मॅक्झिमम सप्लाय किती आहे 600 किलो आहे. हां दॅट आय हॅव रिटन हिअर. सी व्हेरी सिम्पल. when your objective function is maximized, suppose remember these are all smaller than or equal to. Remember it. If it is a minimization, I will tell you yes these are smaller larger than or equal to. You should show because your objective function is maximized. Therefore these should be smaller than or equal to. You have to show like this. आणि एक कंडिशन आहे रे. प्रोडक्ट बी किती विकतात 800 होय ने. मिनिमम म्हणाले तो मिनिमम म्हणाले होय ने. प्रोडक्ट बी that is x2. when you call minimum your sign should be larger. What is that. Yes larger than or equal to 800. समजलं. For maximization we write the indicator that is signal sign smaller than or equal to. Remember it. But when it comes to, because he has told minimum, he has told in the problem, it means this is minimization. This is minimization. Minimum of 800 units every week. Correct. Minimum म्हणजे yes लार्जर दॅन आर इक्वल टू, एवढं कमीत कमी जाणार. 800 पाहिजे म्हणजे पाहिजे, कमीत कमी मिनिमम मिनिमायझेशन which is nothing but show this sign larger than or equal to RC. And last one is x1 comma x2 is larger than or equal to 0 pakka. Yes, have you understood now problem, the story you understood? Yes, just have a look at in the yesterday's problem and today's problem. Okay, yes, in the yesterday's problem the story was, what was that? See, there was a Halaskar was the owner of factory. In the factory he was producing two types of products, M1 and M2. Am I right? Okay, to produce this, don't you feel you need tools? Yes, you had two tools, one is a grinder and another one is a polisher, correct? And you know the working capacity of each machine. Don't you feel that is one of the constraint? Am I right? See, remember, whatever may be the problem in the formulation, 100% the question asked is either you have to maximize or minimize, no doubt. Is it clear? Well, if it is a maximize, okay, you have some conditions are given, you need to invest some amount of money, okay, and you are selling it, profit you will get to know into number of products that you need to produce. So in any of the problem if you are taking, the story goes always like this. You have to write the objective function first, but before you write the objective function, you need to mention the decision variables. Decision variables x1 and x2, that's all. If there is a third product, please you write x3 also. Okay, x3 also. Am I right? You have to mention that. Therefore, please, there are always one objective function. To achieve the objective function, either you need some source. Source can be a money, source can be a material, source can be a tool. When you say tool, it has its working capacity beyond which it won't work. Likewise here, this is all general problems. You yourself need to find out what are the conditions are giving, and for each constraint condition, okay, there is some working capacity or maximum supply. If you are taking the second problem, it was related to the supply. Per week maximum supply was given figure, and to produce a product, each product consuming some amount of material that you need to specify. Therefore, what I suggested you is, when you are going for the exam, please don't attempt this question beginning only. Don't do. Please you concentrate immediately. First go to the sequencing. Just see how the problem was given. Okay, no, I am telling you just idea only, not necessarily you have to go to the sequencing only. If not, please go to the PERT and CPM. If you are finding easy to draw the network diagram and calculate the earliest time and latest time, duration, critical path, 70% of problem you have completed there. Are you following here? Are you following? We are finding each and every student should find their own way to grab the marks in the OR. If you write the first step, you have marks, remember it. If you write the second step, you have marks. Find your own way to score the marks in the OR subject. Okay, if you feel, sir, transportation was easy, sir, VAM method was asked. If you are perfect, come on, go in that. Demand is being given, supply is given, follow the procedure. What is the procedure in VAM method? You are taking the minimum 2 values and finding the difference. That difference you are writing against each row. Am I right? and even in each column. No, why I am repeating every day of previous modules is so that you will get a refresh recall regarding the procedure. What is the procedure in assignment? You are making 0 in each row and each column. Am I right? Assignment. Yes. Yes. Am I right? For making assignment, what you do is you are selecting the minimum value, correct, and subtracting that minimum value in the remaining values of that row or that column only. Then once if you are confirmed in each column and row there is a 0, I think you are checking by drawing the vertical and horizontal lines to see whether capital N is equal to small n or not. Am I right? Please, every day you should be in touch with the subject. You should be in touch with the subject. Then you never forget the things, otherwise you find a difficulty. Yes, have you understood today's problem, please? I think nothing else. Problem was very simple. There was one company which was producing 2 products. So that's what I told you. Once if you read the story, please you learn to write like this first. Product A and product B separately, or it can be in the yesterday from model 1 and model 2. Am I right? Once if you able to write it separate individually regarding the cost of a product, how much you invest and at what rate you are selling it, and what is the minimum profit you are getting by selling each product. If you are writing like this, I think it is very clear picture for you to formulate mathematical model. Otherwise you cannot create this mathematical model directly until and unless you understand the story. That is the reason I told you in the beginning in the exam, don't touch this. Of course, if whatever we have solved together here, if a problem comes, it will be very easy for you, so that you can prepare the mathematical model. If different story comes, in the different case I am telling you so instead of wasting much time in this, better you go either to the sequencing or to the game theory or to the PERT and CPM, okay, or to the transportation model. Then lastly you come to this module. But in the same module you will get a theory part, 8 marks, remember it It can be a definition of OR, it can be limitation, it can be a phases, or it can be a applications, or it can be a scope. 8 marks you will get it. 100% 8 marks surely you will have. You are going to score in this module which I am taking right now. Am I right? Don't leave that theory part. Write something take marks. Yes. But after that, whatever we are taking the classes in the online, please at least to make them thorough. Understand what is the story in short given. Whether he talks of products, whether he talks of modules. Yes, if products, what is the material it takes and how many time it will take, time constraint, likewise. So that in the last moment, hope this kind of problem helps you to score some amount of marks at least. Yes, any doubt in this? Last 5 minutes is left, I think. I don't know. Yes, exactly 5 minutes is left. Halaskar, yesterday I have posted assignment 2. Please ask your friends. Mantesh is not appearing nowadays. I don't know what is the problem he has. He is not attending the classes. Don't know. Just ask him if you have any phone contact and all. Not only him, for all your friends, please ask them to attend the classes. Ask them to write the assignment. I think assignment I am given very clear this time. You don't have confusion while reading. Okay. Last date is 10th. On or before 10th you submit to my personal WhatsApp number only, not in the group. And few of the problems I have solved in the online class only. Few may not be, but procedure follows same. Procedure remains same in any problem. Okay. Are you studying? Are you serious now in the academics? Yes, number 1, number 2. Have you prepared an internship report? Are you ready with? Yes, all should be on the day of reopening of the college. I want all 110 students, including A and B division. You ask others also, please. Other division also, if you have friends. I am sure you have friends in B division also. Immediately we will conduct internal seminar. That is internship seminar. Within 2 days we will complete it. Technical seminar parallel as well as internship seminar. So that within 2 days we will complete it. And that is one of the way to get score good marks in for your credit. Am I right? Yes. Any doubt so far? Tomorrow I will come with one more new different story. I will take 2 more problems based on this modular and let us go for the second modular. It can be a simplex, it can be a big M, it can be a dual method. Very easiest problem I will tell you in the module 2. Again one question will cover. In module 2 one question will cover. But before that I wanted to take another 2 more problems based on this formulation. Remember that. To give you people some idea of formulation problems. Yes? Anything to say? Yes, please. Yes, hope parents are fine. You are fine. Okay. And college anyway lockdown till 17th. Hope you please focus the study. You don't get any time when college reopens. Most of the hope you are directly going for the exam except 1 or 2 weeks before. Okay. Don't be in the impression that like how we have taken class, number of problems in other modules I am talking of. Sufficient number of problems I have solved. Am I right or I am lying? No. Number of problems I have taken in PERT and CPM. Okay. And in transportation, in sequencing, n number of problems I have taken. Because in the beginning only I told you, I am not here to take 1 or 2 problems, complete the module, then I am going. No. Throughout my life I have never done. Until and unless you understand correctly and thoroughly. I have best to my knowledge in the war subject. Okay. Please have a benefit of it. Wonderful notes I have sent you. Probably another 3-4 days. Once again I will send you different problems of all modules. Remember that, of all modules which I have not sent so far. In a PDF I will send all the notes. Okay. Any doubt? Are you confident now in war subject here? At least. Are you confident in war so that you can go for the exam when exam comes? When exam comes you can go for it. At least that kind of confidence you have. If you are confident, that is enough now for me. Hope you are doing it, no doubt. Yes. Time is ending up. Thank you.